this is the wood carving set. It comes in a really nice nylon case, and I already have it unzipped so I can show you some of the tools. The first are these sets right here. I will start by saying I have not yet carved anything. I've watched some YouTube videos, so I'm almost a professional that I haven't tried anything yet, but I'm sure it'll be easy. So with that, I don't know what these are called, but they seem, based on what I've seen on videos, to be a fairly nice set. The one thing I will notice, the difference between the videos and this, are that these are smaller than what a lot of the people making the videos used. So if you do get this kit, I'm guessing that this is more for a beginner, not an experienced. So if you're thinking of getting somebody this that already does carving, they probably would want some different tools than this. Also because like these are super light and not very large. And on the videos, it seemed that everyone else had longer ones or longer blades than what all this is. So with that in mind, that I also don't know anything about wood carving other than YouTube, you can take everything with a grain of salt. So anyway, they have a bunch of tools here, some chisels, like a little U. This one's a curved one, just so you can see that. Whoops, gouged it in there. And I'll just take one of these so you can see the blade. And of course, all these have blade covers. So here's a close-up. And you can see how they're fixed into the wood. It's hollow with the blade put in. And then these, the caps don't stay on very well, but as long as you have them in the case, I don't think that's going to be a problem. And let's go ahead and take a close-up of the cut. And you can see, I mean, to me, I think it's a nice set. Again, but based on the videos, I do see that this is more likely a beginner quality set, not an experienced wood carving set. So I'll put that on later. And let's flip it over and see here. Okay, this section here, this netting, had all of this inside of it. So you have, again, my apologies, I don't know what anything is called, but this is a wooden handled with almost like a grit sandpaper finish on both sides. Your roller, leather strap, these, which I don't know, some flexible sandpaper, and this, which I do not know, but it feels like a nail file almost. And then a level 5 cut protection pair of gloves, size large. And let's go ahead and take a look at the final pouch. They give you 4 blocks of wood, so you can try out your very first projects. So again, that also leads me to expect that this is specifically designed for beginners, which is why I am thrilled with it. I see it has lots of nice tools, chisels, and whatnot, so I think I'm gonna find everything that I'm gonna need in it. Well, I didn't zip it yet, but it has a nice shoulder handle strap. So overall, I think it's a great set for a beginner. Again, I don't know much about woodworking, but I do not think it's for the advanced user.